In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your single leg stability whilst also maintaining a high arch. Now, I'm a very good candidate for this exercise because I've got a naturally low arch. So I can show you what a low arch looks like and then how I can change that and manipulate it to be a high arch when doing this exercise. So firstly, here's my foot in a completely relaxed position, and we're looking at the arch here, and we want to raise the arch. So if you take a look at the arch of my foot, and I bring all of my weight onto the outside of the foot, notice how the arch raises up off the floor. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to maintain that position whilst being in a single leg stability balance drill. So I'm going to leave the camera in this position so you can see my foot. However, I'm going to stand up, I'm going to bring one leg off the floor, and I'm going to try and keep this stability here at this point of the foot. So I'm going to maintain the arch. I've got a wall here if I need to use it for balance. So if you do feel like you're wobbling, make sure you've got something that you can hold on to should you need to. So standing up, I'm going to create that higher arch, and now I'm going to try and stay there. I'm trying to stay on the outside of the foot, trying to maintain that high arch. And it's a difficult exercise because all your natural instincts are going to want to bring the foot back to its normal position. For those with high arches anyway, they won't have to do too much for the actual particular movement. Those like me with low arches are really going to have to struggle through the exercise to try and keep that high arch. Now you would do exactly the same as you did on one leg and repeat it on the other. So the amount of seconds, reps or sets that you're doing, you want to do exactly the same on the first foot as the second foot. And that's how to work your high arch whilst also being in a single leg standing position.